Press Start, type CreateRestorePoint, and select the first option to appear. This will open the System Properties window. Click on the Create button at the bottom. If Create is grayed out, select the system drive and click on Configure. Enable Turn on System Protection and click OK. Then click on Create. Give this restore point a name and click Create. Creating this restore point may take some time, so be patient. Press Start, type CMD and click on Run as Administrator. Now, type the following command and press Enter. Replace restore point name in the command with whatever you wish to call the restore point. Your system restore point is created successfully when you get the method execution successful and return value equals 0 messages. Press Start, type PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following command and press Enter. Replace restore point name in the command with whatever you wish to call the restore point. If PowerShell displays a message saying that you cannot create more than one system restore point in 24 hours, you will have to edit the registry for it. We'll wait 2 minutes after we execute the command again. If the system restore point configurations are set right, Windows 11 will automatically create restore points for you to return to. Here's how to make sure that Windows is taking care of your PC's time capsule for you. Press Start, type CreateRestorePoint, and choose the first option that appear. This will open up the System Properties window. Select the system drive and click on Configure. Now select Turn on System Protection. Windows will automatically allocate disk space for system restore points on its own. But you can change how much disk space System Protection can use. To do so, move the slider under Disk Space Usage to allocate disk space yourself. Once done, click on Apply then OK. Windows 11 will create system restore points whenever major changes are made, such as when new updates are applied. The first thing that you'll have to do is to change the restore point creation frequency. By default, Windows won't create a restore point if one has been created in the last 24 hours. To change this, press Win or to open the Run box, type regedit, and hit Enter. Now, navigate to the following address. Right-click in the empty space to the right and select New, then DWORD 32-bit value. Name it SystemRestore creation frequency. By default, its value is set to 0. Let it be that way and close the registry editor. Now, the next step is to create a task in Windows Task Scheduler so that a restore point is created whenever Windows starts. To do so, press Start, type Task Scheduler and hit Enter. In the right panel, click on Create Task. Now, under the General tab, give this task a name, and select Run whether user is logged on or not, and run with highest privileges. Also, at the bottom, click on the drop-down menu next to Configure for and select Windows 10. Don't worry if Windows 11 is not among the options. As there's no stable build for Windows 11 yet, you may not see Windows 11 just yet. But rest assured, the Windows 10 option will still work. Now click on the Triggers tab to switch to it. Then click on New at the bottom. Now, click on the drop-down menu next to begin this task and select its startup. Then click OK. Next, click on the Actions tab to switch to it. Click on New at the bottom. Here, we will use a few arguments to run Windows Management Instrumentation Control Program and to let it know which action needs to be taken. In the New Action window, ensure that the action is to start a program. In the Program/Script field, type wmic.exe. Then, next to Add Arguments, type the following command. With your love. Now, switch to the Conditions tab. If you're using a laptop, uncheck the option under Power that says Start the task only if the computer is on AC power, then click OK. Task Scheduler will prompt you to enter your password to complete setting up the task. Do so and click OK. And that's it. Now, every time you start your computer, a system restore point will be created.